to do things. Oh, finally we went down. That's cool. Question is this manipulation? All the questions. No answers. This is a previous midnight. Oh man, I had the right idea. Why did it just have to be mean to me first? That felt a little bit unnecessary, but it's fine. We're gonna continue. I don't think you guys are ready for this today. I don't even know if I'm ready for this today, so I have decided to slowly... No, your hair was going to... It's just not it's plastic anymore. What's the problem? Hey, what's up? How's it going? Atlanta's upset with me. Hey, the blue, how are you guys? So, you guys, like I said, you guys might not be too impressed with me. Let's see. I've decided to try something. Maybe it's a good thing, maybe it's a bad thing. Well, let's rather do this. I've gotten a coach. It's no one that you know, but I have now trying, or I'm going to try and give Trader a go. So you guys are gonna see me, not like that. Let's try this again. Okay. Ta-da! You guys are gonna see me jumping betwixt some things here and there. As you can see, I was messing around with it a little bit earlier. Up a little bit there. I am so bad at this currently because what the hey diddly day. I'm just gonna keep following. Okay, here it is. I'm gonna piss a lot of people off now. Not only am I gonna try Ninja Trader, I'm also gonna attempt to start having a little look. No one yell at me. A little look at the 5-second shots. You know, cause the 1 minute wasn't chaotic enough. Whee! But so yes, I'm gonna be playing around with this today. Obviously it's demo, no real money, so it's fine. I've already have some things set. This is basically what I've been doing the whole day. So chaos, let's do this. Anyway, how's it going? Hey Medved, how you doing? I got you, Medved. Let me know when you're done with that one and if it makes sense, and then I can send you another one, okay? Eddie, how... Nobody move. Nobody move. Solly's here. Solly, what happened?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Boo, Ninja Trader, hooray, 5 seconds. Yeah, so today is gonna be very entertaining. Let's see what happens. Bad. Just bad. Yeah, today's gonna be very entertaining. Let's start out like normal before I hurt everyone's brain cells. Let's start like normal, right? Naturally, I see moves happened after I left here. I left here. Like, you know, it messed around still a little bit here. It just dropped. What happened here? Was there news? Did a tweet come out? Who tweeted what? Tweeted. Who tweeted what? Okay. Luxem, this thing just left the building. Didn't care at all about anyone else. Just mark that out there. Let's see what we get. Hey Gawk, what's up? Okay, and Q, give me TP before open. Are you in a trade? And then what about that? What did I do? I don't understand. What happened? What did I do? Hang on, let me grab some popcorn so I can watch Sparks. Oh no, 100%. Solly, it's your birthday? Are you serious? Happy birthday, Solly! What? Happy birthday, man. That is amazing. You deserve a very special whoop whoop maybe some extra fireworks for fun because it's your birthday. OTT, I don't know if you saw, I think you hopped on just after I said this. And I said, I know this is gonna annoy a lot of people, but we're gonna do it. It's happening. Ninja Trader. Not only Ninja Trader, 5-second chart on Ninja Trader. Am I low-key terrified? Yes. Yes, I am. Are we gonna give this a go for fun? Yes. Yes, I am. So, yeah, you guys... You also have to get used to everything about this. This is so different, but... We'll give this a try. Literally everything about this is so different. I do already have things kind of like set up. Oh, because this is a demo account, what do you guys think is gonna happen? Maybe start with that. What do you guys think is gonna happen? Like up, down, sideways. Where did my chat go in this one? What happened to my shitty chat? Why is it hating on my chat? Oh, that's why. There it is. What's up, guys? Not properly yet. I'm just gonna do some... Yeah. I would Ninja Trader know me. Anyways, TP hit. Hey, whoop whoop! You installed the wrong dark version though. How? Demo trading live stream. Yeah, well, no, yes and no. I still have my futures going on over there. Should maybe pay attention. Okay, we have 4 minutes left. But I'm gonna be giving this a try. Like I said, this is just demo. So maybe after we see what the price action is like, if I'm like, nah, I'm not gonna be able to place a decent trade on my fund, and I'm gonna come here and play around on the demo slightly. I don't have the DOM up yet. I'm figuring out the DOM. I thought, let me overwhelm myself one step at a time. That's the older one. I don't know. Messes with the eyes a little bit. Oh, interesting. Well, like I said, this is just the free version for now. So, yeah. Next up, order flow. Society truly has regressed. Why on earth do you say that, my man? Are you good? Who hurt you? OTT for your... Oh, goodness. For your TP. Well done. Whoop whoop. Maya go new and then look at dynamic DOM. One step at a time. Why is it not working? Go above that, you silly biscuit. It should be above that. Why is it not above that? Oh, that's why it's not above that. I have to move this down still. Okay, I'll get there. One thing at a time. One thing at a time. Go back before open. Let's watch. Oh, we have 2 minutes to go. But yeah. 2 minutes to go. Let's do this thing. Let's see if we get anything on the funded. Like I said, if not, if this is just going to be a sideways day again, then you best believe I'm about to be absolutely pure chaotic this. Messing around with Ninja. Just for fun. Like I said, you guys are just going to get unfiltered, well, PG-13 filtered, but pure chaos. I'm sure you guys expect nothing less from it though. Close next. Okay. 1 minute to go. Beep, beep, pew. Well, 22 seconds if we're going to be exact. This already looks chaotic, so this is about to be very entertaining. 12, 11, 10 seconds. Oh, thank you. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's go.
Big rejection off of there. I thought having quick entry function was too much, but I'm managing well. Oh, nice. I don't use indicators. I trade with a clean schedule. Nice, George. Like I said, you're all about to see chaos unfolding here, live, today. Hey, Kika, do I trade news? I sit here, watch it going, what? I don't know if I trade it is the exact correct phrasing to be using. I also thought that news was only happening tomorrow. Am I wrong? I mean, I'll still be here. Okay, let's see. That was a decent drop to start a New York session. How much was that? 80-point drop. Nice. Okay, let's do this. Anything is better than this morning's price action. Let's just be real. Okay, ES has not really moved. One. Okay, let's see if we get a first presented or not. Let's see if that was the whole move. Atlanta, what is this news you speak of? Tomorrow? Check it tomorrow. This is all news. And this is like pretty big stuff. Tomorrow and Thursday. This is all news. Yeah. So. FOMC. Ooh, look at this on the 5 second. Sorry, I'm about to have too much fun with the 5 seconds. So now the question is, the hey diddly day, what do you do? Having a look at Ninja. Wow, I have nothing on here. This is like naked. This is super strange. Entry at the Fair Valley Gap wouldn't have been terrible. I obviously have not set up basically anything, so like I said, y'all are gonna have to deal with me. I was able to set up one thing. Nope, did not save it. Anyway. Don't need that. Okay, doesn't matter. I can see where the 50% is. Let's hit retrace back up here. I'm gonna have to clean this up. Okay, I'll clean it up now. Okay, sorry. Let's go back to focusing. Our chart should look. I actually love it. Oh gosh. It's so naked. Here's a little bit of an inverse. Oh, wait, a first presented. Oh, can you tell my brain is going to be divided today? But at least I'm not messing around with a funded account, right? Definitely the plan is to get myself an eval and start with Ninja, start with a little bit more of a rangy strategy. So remember how I said that I need to find a strategy that works for ranges. Because I know my weakness, and my weakness is that I cannot trade a range, which is a problem because of the fact that the markets range, what, 70% of the time? So I actually found a coach that loves trading ranges to teach me a little bit of a strategy specifically for ranges. I'm looking long now, entry at 9:30. Let's see. But we're gonna give it a go. Who's your coach? Ah, well, it's no one you guys would know. It's no one famous or well-known or... yeah. Just some guy in South Africa. Tomorrow should be a mega volatile. London was turned out to be the best London session ever. You know what, Debbie? Don't talk to me about the Maya effect, okay? I get it. I get it. Rude. Absolutely frustrating and absolutely rude. I accidentally became a range trader. You did? Always take credit. Oh, don't worry. I know the person. I know everything. It's almost better that they're not on a YouTube or I feel like the well-known ones are the ones that are a little bit questionable. Seriously, I know how no one told me anything, but I kind of just figured it out. Nice. Like I said, I've been struggling with ranges. I've been struggling with confidence in ranges. I've been struggling with everything when it comes to ranges. Everything. I even tried forward testing, back testing. Me and ranges are not friends. So I was like, okay, let's do this. To be fair, it was in during London, so before the Maya effect. True. But Debbie, you do deserve a whoop whoop for that. That is awesome. Whoop whoop for your best ever London session. I'm totally jelly. Actually moved solidly then, and now meh. Let's see if it wants to go back up. Pretty hard, a.k.a. watching it. I can't. Then I started trying to trade them and lost tremendously. Nearly every time that I noticed that the thing makes mathematical sense to them. Interesting. Was your biggest trading career trade? Debbie, how much was it, if you know what I mean? You don't have to answer that. I'm just nosy. Aw, thanks, Ollie. Big lady, what's up? Am I doing stocks? No, I'm doing futures. I actually had a long setup, but I think I'm done for the day. Be freely about them in the future. I can only chime in when I hear something worthwhile, as always. Aw, okay. I appreciate it. Well, guys, I mean, like I said, I will be messing around on the charts soon. So let's go back to this quick sticks. So looking at the 5 minute. Right, a 5 minute. 5 second, like I said, I'm about to annoy a whole bunch of human beings. Wow, I have to really get used to how different all this is. Lost mate. Okay. This one would have worked. Would it have though? I literally fixed this earlier. Why is it now being dumb? Shush. Lines, no, don't want that. Don't that, don't that, don't that. Oh, y'all are gonna see me going crazy. Aha! Leave. 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 Okay. Got it. So, this trade would have specifically obviously been entry here. Gone back up, but I'm aiming for 10 points. So how much is it here to here? 20 points, so literally halfway. Mother fluffer, why is it so different? Oh, like I said, you guys are gonna get unfiltered chaos today. Okay, you can see that's 20 points, so literally half of this, so where it is now. That would have been a very quick win. Just have to make sure, obviously, that the stop loss wouldn't have hit, but... Oh, this is gonna drive me mental. There was the 50. This is gonna have to be quick. Ooh, the panic. It goes for here. I'm gonna have to save these somewhere. Oh, it's gonna have to be so quick as to draw this. There would have gone up. Okay. So we can see there, we can see there. This is all obviously happening on the 5 second. Should we give this a go then? We follow this. Okay. Demo account and me, low-key, being unhinged. Let's do this. Nope. Still following this. I'm testing this theory out. Leave me alone. Oh, we're running away. We're running away. We are running away. Okay, let's go back to the other chart. Gonna hear something in my head going, order filled. Go back to trading view. Let's see what we've missed. Okay. Anything I could have taken here? No, no, no. I see it's now literally just running away. This looks so grey now. I keep feeling like it's foggy. What's up, guys? What, the chaos of me being like... Ah! Anyways. Up, up, up. Awesome. Shoot, this is still going on the 5 second. And there was your entry. Thanks for watching. Nice, Dom. That is awesome. Sauce. Seriously, well done. Crisp whoop whoop for you. Definitely ran away on the ninja though. Just saying. Oh, Titan, well done. Nothing I'm super comfortable with taking right now. Yeah, I'm not comfortable taking. That was a beautiful bob to bob trade, just by the way. That was a stunning bob to bob trade. Yeah, that was awesome. Shot back up. Let's have a quick look at Ninja again. Nice. Oh, sorry. I shrunk it. Yeah, poop. The demo account. Might as well play around and see what we get, right? A little bit of retracement back down, then going back up. Let's see how it looks on the 1 minute. Anything noteworthy? No, that's actually quite a decent level there. Okay. Let's see if it tags in or not. On the 5 second. What's a little bit above. See if that's going to be a problem. This might come crashing down now, but I'm taking it, you know, it's the whole point of demo. I'm not losing anything, not gaining anything. Literally forward testing, dealing with the chaos as it happens. Did you just predict your future? Ran away with a ninja. How did you know? How did you know? BT dubs, I'm also only taking 10-point trades. I'm in a big drawdown. No! Do you know what happened? To be fair, so am I. I mean, that's not something to laugh about, but a little bit funny. Still nothing. Properties. Okay, let's see. Take profit. What a block. Font on the March. You're asking when Bitcoin's going to the moon? I have absolutely no idea. Very good question. Oh, this is actually at such a nice point. Damn. You have to send me an email first, but I guess I can attempt to help you a little bit more. Can't make any promises though. Yeah, shoot. Oh, this may have not worked out. Sorry. Just having a look. Like I said, I'm so sorry, guys. This is gonna be absolute chaos today. Oh, would have been fine. Never mind, that was only 5 points. So this wouldn't have taken me out. This would have then eventually gone into been a win because it was only a 10-point trade. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Still messing around a little bit there. Loki looks like the cells might be coming back slightly. Okay. Sorry, still trying to figure everything out. It's so different. Okay, it's so different. Hey, Forex Swinger, what's up? How are we doing? Check trading view again, quick sticks. Okay, still nothing here for me. Especially now that I just went into the bob level. Hasn't quite tapped back into there. This would be the trade. This is a tad bit too large for me to be taking right now with my amazing drawdown. What did Debbie ask? Debbie, you're on a Bitcoin long? Nice. Yeah, guys, this is absolute chaos. So, sorry, I'm not going to be super chatty today. I'm just going to be here going, yeah! And that's end of story. But here we go. At least we are all going to have fun together watching this chaos. Oh, shoot, man. Okay, I'm being too focused on the bigger thing. I'm supposed to be focused on, like, this. Check there. Would have been a win. Damn. That one would have been a win. Damn. Okay, now we go back. Stop that. Now we go, let's draw this. F8. I must remember F8. Okay? Like that. That's what I have to be doing. Quick. Just missed. Well, that was a little bit rude. Just saying. Oh my gosh. Okay, yep, nope, that's... That was bad. Check order price, the current price is outside. Yes, no, duh. Okay, that was bad. Yeah, that one did not work. Thank heavens this is demo. And it got freaking slippage like a mad lad. Now we move on to the next. This is the point of the 5 second. Obviously, I'll learn do's and don'ts and where not. This is chaotic. Wow, 5 seconds are terrifying. 5 seconds are terrifying. Absolutely terrifying. This low-key looks like a liquidity grab, so I wouldn't be surprised if this starts to go back up now. Yeah, like I said, this is only supposed to be... What did I miss? You're missing me in all of my chaos right now. Be all the chaos. Let's trade! Heck yeah! Pew, 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 pew. Sorry, that was close enough. I'm trying to learn that when it's close enough, especially on the 5 seconds, take it. Don't be dumb. Don't not take it because you're getting in your head. Do I keep this one up? Yeah, screw it, why not? I'm gonna keep that one. Because I can. So that one would have worked, so that was a winner. Shoot, I'm too late for this one. Damn, I was too late. Sugar honey iced tea. Damn, you gotta be on top of this thing. Okay. Entered and went back down. 5 seconds, terrifying. To trade panel. Oh no, I have an 80. Yeah, I have. I got it. So this one, let's see if this actually would have been a win because I have it just set for 10 points. Mikuabe. That's all it is. It's 10 points. That's it. So let's see how big this is. Oh, shoot. Okay, maybe it wouldn't. Oh, okay. No, there would have been a win. Go. Away. Okay, leaving that one there. Leaving this buy limit. How would have been a win? So I'm still figuring this out. So everyone just calm down with me. This is still just a demo account. This is nothing like a super new and well, it's super new and low-key terrifying. I'm trying to do this on the fly while live. Shoot. Oh, buy back up to here. Screw it. This might piss off some things, but we're going with it. Maybe. Oh no, all the way down to. Wait, let's see. So this one was a long play trade, so maybe the long play trades don't work so well on the 5 second. I'm figuring out the 5 seconds. Does it get rid of all of them? But like I said, figuring this out. One tap trading, so you instantly don't have time to drag and drop. Like hotkeys? Debbie, is that what you're saying? Okay, so sorry, I just had a quick look at TradingView. I see that it did just go up. Tapped into VWAP and we are retracing slightly, but the question is, are we retracing for it to start falling back down, or are we retracing for it to get a continuation back up to the buy side? It's 4:53 a.m. writing this chat. What time has it gone to? 3:54, so 54 past. Nope, don't do that. Second shots are terrifying. Yeah, sorry, I thought I clarified. No, 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 don't worry. Louis says now it's gonna drop down. Oh, this little mother fluffer just left without me. Oh, shoot. See, I got distracted on the bigger ones again. I keep getting distracted by the bigger ones. Okay. Oh! Oh! Okay. Hey Louis, no, this is just Ninja Trader. I'm doing a little bit of forward testing with it. This is just a demo account. It was doing well. I was actually up quite a bit, and then some slippage happened, and then I was like, uh-oh. Oh well, it's just a demo account. Nothing crazy here. Reached the 50% range on the 1 minute. Awesome. Hey, sure. When you think this is gonna be a sell big dump? No, you little bugger. Okay, the question is with the 5 second. Can you hear that? Order cancelled. Wait. Okay, let's see. It reached the 50%, so this could start going up. I said something. Yep. Titan, it doesn't take 3 minutes. Chill. I'm just busy. I'm not actually reading the chat that much today. Oh no, this is gonna go all the way up. Oopsies. Okay, so with the 5 second. Oh hell no. Okay, no, that just would have instantaneously gone up. I'm figuring this out with the 5 seconds. I've never done seconds before, so it's not going great. It's not going great so far. Thank heavens this is demo. That's what she said.
That's what she said.
Might do the 30 second instead. I don't know. I'm low-key enjoying the challenge. Wait, F8. Hi, can I help you, sir? I'm taking every trade. I'm not looking for confluences. I'm not looking at though technically this one has some decent confluences. Let's see what happens. What's up, guys? I'm drunk. Nice, Sherwin. Drunk on a Tuesday. Low-key jelly. I could do with some good old times. Okay, let's have a quick look at trading view again. Okay, so I see it went back in. Oh, nicely to the 50%, you guys were right. But now the question is, are we gonna continue the sell or the buy? Bob to bob, beautifully. That is some beautiful bob to bob stuff right there. Step back before it gets emotional. Might take the week off. No, I'm challenging myself. OTT is just on a winning streak and doesn't know what to do with himself, right? Is that it? You're just like, I'm winning and this is becoming... I don't want to say easy, because that's not right, but you're just having a winning streak. Which I'm totally jelly of, but I'm super proud of you. It was actually quite a nice trade for buys. Which does low-key go against what I just put here. Okay, that just ran away. Let's see. It's good to be winning. I lost in profit. Me 500. That's okay. Now, shoot. Okay, so this is not working so well on the 5 seconds. Okay, I'm give it a little bit of time, but I mean, sure, going off of this, I'm not doing well. Frequent streak. You need a hug. You're gonna make millions one day. Why are you messing around with Ninja Trader? Get a little bit of something new, get a little bit more information going. I see it's going bob to bob level like a damn freaking boss. Shoot, I missed this. That one then worked, mother fluffer. It didn't reach the 50% of the full range, did it? Nah. Did not. It did not, whatever. Maybe it's too chaotic during New York, because it was working quite well before New York. Maybe New York is actually just too hectic for the 5 second. That could be it. I'm gonna, obviously just gonna have to keep backtesting the hated lead A out of this. Let's see what we get if it breaks above here. What am I doing? That. So, quickly going back here to my funded. Let's see what we've been getting over here. Like I said, this just moved beautifully bob to bob. Stunning. Put an inverse fair value gap here. So just retracing and then gonna continue back up. I wouldn't have been able to take this, I can almost guarantee that would have been just too large for me to take, especially with where I'm at right now. So that's why we're also kind of messing around with Ninja Trader, having a little bit of fun, seeing what the second charts look like. Oh my gosh. You want to tick chart, get an eval with Traderify and select the platform. Just like Project Deck and has all the tick charts. Oh, you're gonna start using Traderify? Sold again, same TP. Second charts can be amazing if your risk management is on point. That is true. Actually, that is a good point. I should have actually been doing that. So I did kind of preset these, but maybe I should have changed them. I have the wrong one. Yep. Yes? Yes. No. This is it. There we go. That's what I want to do. Ooh, scary. We're going with or against. No, shoot. Okay, it's just running away. Nope, just running away. Shoot. Who's in a buy right now? Are you all sitting pretty? Damn, 5 seconds be intimidating, guys. What? No, you. Oh, okay. Make another hundo. Now Pity has started to head back up. So you can close on the side here. There we go. Yo, this 5 seconds low-key intimidating. Not even gonna lie. Cool. So that one worked. Okay. So that one was a winner. Awesome. Shoot. Gonna have to be quicker. Okay. Yeah, 5 seconds, you have to be quick as heck. Ah! Running away. What does this look like on the 1 minute? I'll go check out Tradeify now. It's way, yep. It's so different. I mean, I'm having fun. It's the constant go, 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 go. It works quite well for my ADHD brain. As you can see. Ain't no second for me to get bored right now. Okay. How's it looking in TradingView? Okay. Hey, this one's working out actually really, really well. Ooh, pity about this. I was looking at this. I was just not too convinced about it. Shoot, though, I should have seen the big rejection of the bob level. Inverse fair value gap. It still would have been maybe potentially a little bit risky. It would have been a nice win, though. Don't get me wrong. Definitely would have been a nice win. Leaving this back up. Nice. Sorry, I can see that I've missed a lot of messages. Louis, damn, that would have been. Yep. What's the tool that I'm using? Which one? Huh. Sorry. A lot of chaos. Which one? Okay. I'm gonna eventually get used to this. Eventually. That one would not have worked. Let's see, this one might start going back down here. Gotta say, let's have a quick look back at TradingView. Uh-oh, absorption, might go into power pop. Nice! What? I think I'm gonna just de-risk a lot more than maybe like $100 risk trade credit. Not enough money to survive for a bit without needing to trade. Anyways, don't know what you're talking about, but that's fine. Pity about this one trade. Oh well. This looks so slow now. I'm just looking at this going, what's wrong with the chart? Why is it so slow? Oh, okay, I just got order filled happen. Let's see. Shoot. Shoot. Go up one more time. There we go. Okay. So that worked as well. That was a goodie. Ooh, I see we're back to being a little bit choppy. A little bit chop city right now. Woo! Alrighty then. Enter one more message. I don't like. What? OTT? I feel like I missed a lot. Board testing is going swimmingly. Yeah. Well, yes and no. I am still in the negative, but yeah. No, full port make a million. Why is it breaks the high? Easy jump ski, thanks. Never got amazing. Yeah, you do, OTT. And when I'm back in Joburg, I'll buy you a milkshake. Or maybe you need to buy me a milkshake because you're the one getting payouts. Just kidding. I'm just messing with you. That's like me being the chick with the audacity of saying, buy me a flipping concert ticket. Anyways. Hey, Gina, watching from South Africa. What's up? I'm also in South Africa. Currently KZN. How you doing? Yep, looks like Powerpuff. Potentially slightly, let's see. What, you thinking it's doing something along the line of that? And that, oh, I don't know. I don't know. Let's go back here, see what's happening on the 5 minute, but 5 second, sorry, not 5 minute, 5 second. But I see it's also low key. Sure, when it goes sideways on the 5 second, then I feel like it's bad. This one, I low-key actually want to say that this should be going down, but I will, like I said, I'm taking every trade. Would say that's going to want to come back down to here and then go back up. Could be wrong. Hey personnel, what's up? See if it rejects it. There's a little bit of a volume imbalance on the 5 seconds. Nope, it did not. It did not. I did call that little shorty short though. Okay, then. Alrighty. Okay, now we do a sell. Watching from Canada, what's up? You got in on that drop. Nice, nice. Okay, like I said, did low key. Well, let's see how this now goes. Mitigate. I'm trying to see how I could work it. So it was higher up, obviously. Shoot, okay. I'm trying to see if I should mitigate, yes or no, on the 5 second. No, okay, because then a full stop loss would have happened there, so that's then fine. Okay. Oh my goodness. So theoretically, that already hit that. Oh, wow. Okay, so that's wrong. That hit that. That. Oh, I did that full range, eh? I did do that full range. Oh, this 5 seconds intimidating. Personnel, what? Don't change your mind when you lose a trade. What do you mean by that? Let's see. Nope, this is running away. Leave me alone. For it to come up to here is actually not wild. Let's see. So this is not working so well. Gonna have to see what the heck I can do about this. It would fry my brain trading at that speed. Duration time, let's have a look at trading view again. Yeah, okay. Nothing I want to be seeing just yet. So I would have been sitting and waiting this whole time. That's not quite how the Powerpuff works, but it's fine. Let's just watch what happens here. A little bit of rejection, so I went Bob, Bob, Bob. Potentially back down to the Bob level again. How do you think Powerpuff works? I've actually never asked. Oh no, I have no idea. Like I said, I've literally done Powerpuff as a joke. Yeah? So I'm saying it's not how it works, is you can't just like keep changing it, or else you would just always constantly be changing it. So there has to, so maybe there should be like a rule. You need to at least let it have 3 little rejections and then you can start drawing it. I'm not actually too sure with regards to that, to be fair. Like we've had movement, but we have not had movement. Hey, Vino, what's up? Wait, you gotta change it. Yeah, no, but then it feels like you're constantly just moving it. Like it should specifically have its line, and then either it takes it or it doesn't. Let's see, I'm trying this range quickly. Got a little bit of a shelf and most likely is still in buys though, but hands off still. Also have to learn to close the losers. Right? Risk management. I'm watching it now. That was close. There we go. Okay. That one was better. The shelf and the volume imbalance over there worked really, really well. Definitely better. Let's see. Okay, I see there's a shelf. Shoot, quick, quick, quick. There we go. Oh, it may have just missed me because it took a little bit long. No! Sugar honey iced tea. Could still be valid. Let's see. Really good shelf there. Oh, that just missed me by a tick. No, it didn't. I just drew this like an absolute fool. Ah, no, not really. Let's see. Okay, nah, I think that's gone too far then. Ooh, hello. Wow, okay, let's go back to the funded and see what it's doing on the funded. Let me close that, because that's gone bye-bye. Damn, here we go. Here the movement's starting, kind of. It is a whole lot busier on the fund. Oh, I think I'm going to sleep well tonight with all of that. Everyone good? Sorry, I've been really focused on the 5-second. You don't really have time to chat when you're looking at 5-second shots. How's everyone doing? Are we getting whoop whoops? Are we happy? Are we sad? This is going sideways for me. So that's fun. Everyone else? Oh look, it facey to facey again. It did, it went bump to bump again. You say this is massage music? I mean, you're not wrong. Extreme Cold, how you doing? Anybody that's just hopped in? What's up, guys?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
What am I doing? doing that. It did it reject it, went bob to bob again, which means we are just stuck between these two bob levels. And then I guess the next question is, what happens next? Nearly an hour in, you know what that means, right? 2 losing trades for me today, so I'm chilling until tomorrow. Nice, trade addict though. I know that sucks, but it happens, right? It is what it is. We move on. That's why I can't have demo accounts. Do you see how I just went like, man, let's see what happens? I could literally, yeah, do 1,000 trades in a day just for funsies. I'm in the mood for getting drunk. That's a bad mood. Go, sweetie. My dog got sweeties. Take a shot of vodka. Oh gosh. So, let's quickly do butterfly of the day. Who wants to have the honors of picking a page? Louis, do you want to pick a page? And then I will check what butterfly's on it. How about that? Pick a page, any page. Don't say less. Hot whiskey. I would love to have some whiskey. Thanks, Jordy. Hello. But you've just had some. You can't have all of these, sweeties. Page 100. Page 16. Wait. So I'm taking a little bit of a break for my brain.
Nice.
From the 5-second charts. Let's see which ones. Okay. Oh, it's too similar to Boom's one this morning. To be fair, let's see. I've done this one already, but it's my favorite butterfly. I've already done it. I guess I could do the one above it, but it's my favorite, but screw it, we're doing it again. I know I've done this butterfly before, but y'all deserve to see my favorite butterfly. This is literally my favorite butterfly for one reason and one reason only, because it is freaking adorable. It is literally just that cute. Called the Southern Pied Woolly Legs. Oh my gosh. Okay. Get a nice photo for you guys so you guys can just appreciate this little dude with me. You ready? Why is it not giving me the option? Where are you at? There we go. There it is. That took me a minute. How cute is he? He's got fuzzy legs. He's adorable. Anyways, he is so cute. He is my favorite butterfly. Yeah, lots of fun once for porting drunk. Damn. Getting out of my account drinking when market is open, so that's a moth. That is not a moth. This is literally a butterfly. It is adorable and has fuzzy legs. Okay, so the Southern Pied Woolly Legs. I mean, there's also like a common woolly legs and stuff, but this one just looks, I don't know what it is about it. It's just so cute. This is my favorite photo. Look at that. Look at it. Okay, so wingspan of 23 to 32 millimeters. So it's teeny tiny. Okay, so distribution is coastal forest from Eastern Cape along KwaZulu-Natal coast, inland to Swaziland and Mpumalanga, Limpopo, and northwest provinces along wooded hills and valleys. Habitat is forest edges, parks and gardens, gullies, and coast. Flight period is year-round in warmer areas, peak spring and late summer. He is adorable. He has fuzzy legs. He's not a moth, believe it or not, but he's definitely not a moth. You can tell because he has the little, what you would call it? Like a little bulb on top of the antenna. There's a little doobie on the antenna. And it chills with its wings closed up. Butterfly. Yeah. That's what you get. Butterflies. Ew, that's the ugliest thing I've ever seen. Looks like a lollipop that got dropped on a carpet. That is so mean. Oh, I went into the wrong one. My bad. There we go. Whew. Looks like a lollipop that got dropped onto a carpet.
Emotional damage.
That was so mean. Okay, my brain hurts a little bit now. Then 5 seconds are quick and you have to be focusing all the time. Fun fact too, the babies are super best friends with the ants and adults only eat the honeydew products by efforts. Oh! Check out soybeans. Looks juicy. What's up, Florida native? How you doing? Okay. Bob to Bob again. Oh. Sorry, I'm literally taking a moment for my brain to calm down. The 5-second shots are a lot. Wow. I can understand why you can get lost in trading them, but they are hectic. Okay, still nothing here. This probably would have been a break-even trade from there. I'm expecting the volume to be crazy. Was that from page 150? Yeah. That was from page 150. And 33, how does it? Oh, okay. I'm mentally preparing myself to go and have a look at the 5-second again. Just kind of playing around with it for like an hour now. And it is insane. It is purely insane. I think, unfortunately, my one and only good trade was actually here. And I saw it and I thought about it with these inverse fair value gaps and I just thought, I'm not so sure. Damn, I should have been more sure. Effort to the 1 second. You want to see the 1 second? That's bullshit. What was more likely not to hold? We'll see a reaction, yes, but it's a trap to induce buyers and target their stop losses lower. What do you think? Red, I am agreeing with you, right? Trend is friend until it's not, and today it's been bearish. All the previous days was kind of sideways with a little bit more of a bullish intention. Today is definitely a lot heavier. Still a little bit sideways, but the bears look full of being left behind now. I get on. Sweet. Yes. Look, I just hit TP again using 0. No way, Libby, that's cool. Whew. Wow, that literally made me tired. Can't pick instead. Mikwavet, that one was on 150. 69 was basically the same as Boom Banana pick this morning. So I was like, yeah, yeah. I don't know if I marked it correctly though. Sure, it was close enough. Okay, let's see what we get here. Would expect maybe a little bit of a rejection off of the first presented, but maybe not. The glasses are for sight. Like, I mean, I can see, but it's a little bit blurry. Yeah, I can see fine. Well, fine. My world's just a tad bit blurry without them. I used to trade without them all the time. I used to hate wearing my glasses. And then one day I literally put them on as a joke to be like, do you guys want to see what I look like with glasses? And I put them on. And I went, oh damn. Those lines are crisp. Is that what they've supposed to be look like the whole time? Debs, we're not a good influence. You guys are not. You're terrible. Absolutely terrible. Damn. Trying to see if we can get anything here. Astigmatism, yes, I do. I got an astigmatism in my right eye, if I'm not mistaken. You either sink or swim. I mean, you're not wrong. This is going bob to bob. Shoot. How big is this? Nope, okay. And down into the bob level. Bob to bob, boom. Just like that. Wow. To be fair, I was looking here because I saw this and I was like, oh, if this comes and retests back up, this could be a goodie. That's okay, Louis, that's weird, but yeah, go walk the dog, go think about it. 3K up is awesome. Each one, teach one, what's up? So this is a funded account. It's only a demo, so thrash out all the mistakes and learn from them. True. Hey, creature. No, whoa. I am exhausted. So, those of you that just hopped on, I'm starting to have a look at, whoops. Apparently, blank space. Whoopsies. 5-second charts on Ninja Trader. It's a lot. It's chaotic. This mother fluffer just ran away. Okay, so here shorty shorts are definitely in play. So you joke, you said I should look at the 1-second chart. No thanks, no thanks, no thanks. I thought 5 seconds was intimidating. Good grief. What the heck, man? Yeah, poop. Guess that one actually would have been a winner chicken dinner. Interesting. Green globe, literally. This here is the 5 second. My funded account is in the 1 minute. This is my first time looking at 5 second charts. Like I said, I'm going to sleep so well tonight. Whew. 5 seconds is apparently what ADHD people need because... Wow, this has tired me out. I'm literally... like, I'm ready for a nap. I am literally ready for a nap. That was so bad. Use the 1 minute for your daily bias, 15-second point of interest, 1 tick entry. Am I not ready for the tick charts yet? Meh. Just gave you all 100% strat. You normally do the 4 hour. Ah, in that case, welcome to the chaos. Seriously, welcome to the chaos. Okay. This feels dumb, like I'm going against, but it's on the 5 seconds. This could just be retracing solidly. It's not bad. Kind of got this shelf over here, right? Not the best one, but it's a shelf. Got some things further up over there. Don't know if it's going to retest that far down though. Let's see. I'm going against trend on this one. So this one I don't have that much. No problem, glad to be here. Trading is my life. Nice. How long have you been trading for? Each one teach one. Welcome, by the way. My name's Maya. How you doing? I've been trading officially for a year, which is exciting. This is not my normal strategy. Like I said, this is a demo account. This on the Ninja is a demo account. I'm messing around, testing some things. As you can see, I'm actually down like $1,125. But I am like trying to take every single range and testing and seeing what does and does not work. Ooh, missed. Shoot, I forgot to draw that. Bit of a potential entry for a short back down there. Or not. Like I said, this is going against. Just looking at lives will not help you if you're a complete beginner. Been trading for 4 years now, really lucrative. Oh, interesting. And how long did it take for you to start seeing profits, if you don't mind me asking? Ah, pity. Okay. Yeah, it didn't come back down. Get back to trading view. See what we got. Add that there to there. There's the 50%. This might go a little bit higher into the first presented. I can tell you already that this one is just too big for me to take again, man. It's quite a nice trade. Back down to that Asia low. A little bit of liquidity here at 036 as well. Oh, that would have been a beautiful tick-in. Damn. Hey, chill dude. I haven't taken a trade today. I'm watching this. Oh, maybe I would have been able to take this. Yeah, meh. Can you tell from my hesitation that maybe not? More than I'm willing to risk right now, unfortunately. Yeah. That's just unfortunately more than I would have been willing to risk. Looks like it's headed down correctly though. CT universe, sorry. Am I the only one going short with no stop loss? No stop loss, Rude, what? I learned from ICC and TJR from YouTube. Nice! I'm the only one who thinks ICC is weird. Using CFD brokers and making millions, and you only think they'll let you withdraw. OTT? I'm not 100% sure what you're talking about, so I can't actually have much of a say. Whoa. Okay. Damn. My brain actually hurts. That's a lot of information being thrown your way. You can enter a trade, show us the trade, and this TP is $9 million. $9 million? Got me on sweet shelf, but the rest I understand. Let me say floating profits. Oh, okay. That's what? That is insane though. That can't be right. OTT, what the heck, man? $9 million. Wow. Okay. He once said he made over 200 million in a month. That can't be real. What's up, Cosmic? How we doing? Oh my gosh, Louis, that's terrifying. What the heck, man? Happy you're safe. Your dog's a sweetie pie. Yeah, he took me down, no hesitation. I'm not hitting on his teacher, just hitting on the type of person he is. That's bad. Someone just made $150 million not too long ago. Sure. And that's why I love my dog. To be fair, I'm pretty sure Perry would protect the heck out of me. This one's working out really nicely so far. Wow. Just... wow. Flipping spent. How do some people trade 1 second shots? That makes sense. Sure. Maybe that's insane though. That is actually insane. I'll get him. Right, green globe. Damn. Okay, so this one would at least been a break even now. Damn, this would have been a goodie. Pity. Let's see what we get. Took out a little bit of sell side liquidity here. See if it taps back into Asia low here or not. Once it does take out Asia low, we must just be aware of a potential retracement back up. I'll be honest, 1 second chance aren't terrible. Really? Okay, Asia low taken. Where's the next? There's equal lows down there. Hi, handsome. You gonna come say hi to people? Come say hi.
Good boy. And the pop. My buggy ball. That's my head. Come on. There's Perry.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. There we go. Got sweeties. Baron is making the box right now, and they say he secretly donates me to so actually watches to see what they spend on to make sure he goes to the poor folks. Oh, that's cool though. What strategy do I use? So I use a bit of a hybrid. Sorry, I'm gonna stand up, stretch my legs just for a second. So I'll keep talking while I do it though. Can you guys still hear me? So anyway, I use a little bit of a hybrid between market auction theory, ICT, and SMC strategies. Oh, my legs are broken. I'm gonna have to go for a walk after this. But yeah, so it's a little bit of a hybrid. It's a little bit of my own little concoction, if you will. That's my strategy. Perry looks like he's about to come and take over the stream. Hey, Bean. Buddy! Bean! You've had so many! No, you've had so many. I'll give you more later. Market auction theory, buy in, discount, sell in, premium. Yes, did I get it? Did I mix those two up? No, yeah. What's the plan here, bud? So if it hadn't have just taken out Asia low, oh, no, actually I don't like where the entry is for this. I was gonna say, if it hadn't have just taken out Asia low, I would have low-key been interested in the short here. Taking a break from the 5 second. I feel like I've run a marathon. That was a lot of concentration. For an ADHD person, that was intense. I'm ready for a nap. And I never say that. I'm never ready for naps, but I'm ready for a nap now. 10:54. What's up, honey? Honey bun? Do you think there's still going to be more volume, guys, or do you think the volume's done for the day? I feel like I have just non-stop been talking. Well, okay. An easy way to go find some more volume, right? Theoretically. Ready? Look at that. Got some more volume again. Okay. Last time checking out this 5 second chart. Let's see what we get. To be fair, right now, even the 5 seconds low-key going a little bit sideways. My dog's name is Perry. Hi. Hello. Yeah, my dog's name is Perry. He is the best dog in the world. I must say, it's a little bit sad living in South Africa and everything's a little bit... I want to say everything's a little bit backwards here in South Africa, like when it comes to big dogs. Okay, no, here's something. Quick with this again though. I feel like this was a fake out for a sell. Should have maybe put a sell stop here rather, but let's just stick with this. We do have a little bit of a shelf here and you want to see it go back up slightly more. Yeah, nope. Did tap into the shelf. Respect it a little bit more. Come on. There we go. There we go. Okay. So that one worked. Nice. Next. Might be pushing it. I don't really have a shelf or anything with this one. Never mind, would have worked. Okay then, I think. Depends on where the 10 points were. It maybe could have stopped me out before going back up, but... I mean... that worked. Comes back to grab it. Could be good. Definitely have a shelf with this one. Shelf, a little bit of a fair value gap on the 5 second. And you would like to see it grab this little bit of liquidity. It is rejecting off of this wick over here. What's Tradeify looking like? Just missed. I would have gotten an entry there for a short on Tradeify. Sorry, I didn't like swap you guys over. Oh, just missed there. That's rough. Okay, correct idea for the 5 second shot. Just didn't come and tag me in. Didn't come and retrace that 50%. Okay, back. Oopsies. I shrunk my trading view. There we go. Like I said, I was low-key keen on this for a short. If it hadn't have just taken out all the sell-side liquidity. This could now spike a little bit higher up. Sure. Cheers, Debbie. Enjoy. Thanks for hopping on. Yeah, let's stick around a little bit longer. Blanket's now on the way. Maya, I know you can see this. We need music change. Why are you hating on the music? Huh? Why do you hate the music so much? What happened? Who hurt you? Could see this potentially happening. Oh, flip. Louis, at least you remembered. That would have been bad. Imagine you just completely forgot. Hey DP, what's up? How you doing? Yeah, there we go. One would have been a loss. Did call it after it took out Asia low. Let's see now if we tap back into somewhere what the plan is here. So new hourly. I'm up 5k for New York. What the heck, Louis? Are you now then like done for the day? Hey Gina, what am I trading today? Nasdaq futures, the micros again. What's up? How are we doing? like I said, I'm gonna need a nap after this. Oh, it double bottomed. Okay. Double bottom, broken up above. Freaking bob to bob, here we go. Because the music makes me sleepy for the charts. What would you like stuff? Would that be better? Hey, Bruce Banana. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Am I buying or selling? Junior, like I said, it just did a double bottom, but I think it's just retracing. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is just retracing slightly, potentially. Nope, not an A+ setup for me, but potentially that does an entry and then continuation. We'll tap into this fair value gap and then back up. That being said, it did tap into the first presented fair value gap, so let's see how it reacts here. I wonder if it's going to want to tap back into VWAP on ES before we get a continuation to the sell side. Do I know the QM strategy? No, what's that? Yeah, do that again. Ah! What kind of music is my favorite? I don't really have favorite. Do I use ICT? I use some ICT concepts. I'm not like exclusively ICT, if that makes sense. A tune. Okay, how about you find me a goodie. How about that, Mikuave? Find me one that you like. That's obviously not like copyright or something. And I'll pop it on. Deal? I mean, even if you want to like make one, I guess, that can just be looped and it just continues, that you think has a bit more tune to it. Go on, Mikuave. I'll do that for you. How about that? Let me send you a message. Look at whatchamacallit? Can't be copyrighted because I made that sucker. There we go. Just leave the high time frame song I sent you. I don't think it can have words. It has to be like a background music. If it has words, I think people are gonna get super distracted. I want to make one. Okay, go on, Louis, make one. What's up, Augustine? How you doing? Bruce Banana, how long have I been trading for? I have been trading for 1 year. Yeah. 1 year, exactly. Yeah, so this is my first ever funded account. I am in drawdown. I'm not here to lie about things. This is a very real, open, honest situation that I'm streaming. Junior, do you teach people your strategies live on YouTube? I mean, you can use my strategy. I don't exactly necessarily teach it. You're more than welcome to use it. I feel like I'm still sometimes figuring it out. You know, if we're being honest, I still sometimes feel like I've not quite gotten the grasp of things. And I'm a year into this. I don't know, some people feel like a year is long, and other people are like, nah, that's barely anything. So I don't know. Let's see. Let's try one more here. Got some decent shells going on here. Ah, no. Rejected a bit too fast. Oh, mother bluffer. Go back. Okay. Nah, it's going down, running away without me. Oh, too late. Too late for that one. See where this heads. That's gonna go up or down now. Down. Damn, that one would have been a win. Shoot, I was a bit too late for that one. Ah, still just ran away. What? Calm down, 5 seconds. Whoa, whoa, what just happened? What is this looking like on Trading View right now? Sure. Okay, wait. Let's go back. Let's go back to this. What's it looking like? Okay, so big rejection for that first presented. See if we break the low. Sure, yeah, no, literally, I was just too late. As I was doing it, I was like, do you know, I must maybe set up hotkeys for a buy limit and sell limit. That might just be the way to go. Just place it there, hotkey, and especially on a 5 second, I can't imagine it can be so quick. It's nice to see honest and transparent people in this. Oh, first spin and 100. I get it. There's a lot of gurus out there that are trying to sell you things. No. I'm just here like, you know, if you use prop firms and you want to support, you can use my code. That's about it. Otherwise, I'm not selling you anything. Unless you guys want merch. You know, I've had this merch discussion a little bit. I feel like a cup is cool. No words, and you want it to be chill or with a little energy. Well, apparently Mikrowabe wants it with a little bit of energy. Maybe that type of music, if it's of a famous song. I don't know. Good question. Musician and hit TP. So I was trying for funsies and slap, got some ducats. State of collapse. They want us to open the homes straight as soon as possible as they try to figure out their leadership situation. Oh? What to do? Thank you for your attention, Madam President. Damn, okay, Louis. But how real is that? Also, I was going, oh my gosh, chaos happened on the 5 second, whereas the 1 minute, not that much chaos happened. Just rejected off the first presented. It just looks a whole lot more like, whoa! Stuff is happening when you're on the 5 second. Good grief. Yeah, this looks like it's calmed down a little bit now. Hey. Cool. Can you see in my face that I'm just like, what the hey diddly do? That 5 second shot's insane. It is one way to get my ADHD to just like sit down. Unfortunately, I think the volume's chilled. Let's check the 5 second one last time. Let me see, maybe I can get one more trade in. But then I might call it, because like I said, my brain is low-key fried. Like, check at that. Oh, that would have been a beautiful trade. Damn it. Gotta really retrace back in. Need that to break above. Cool. And I said break above, and then I can potentially... Oh, we're gonna go down. Down it is. Shoot. I guess, wait. I guess this is more low-key sideways. Okay, let's not deal with that for a second. So saying up, but I would actually like to see it go down. It's based off of this. I would like to see a short come back into play here. Oop, okay, I lied. Damn. If I'd taken that one. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Okay, I got it. Woo! That was intense. What is this chart color? Is it the same? What do you mean? What do you mean is the color the same? Hey chill dude, what's up? How you doing, by the way? Oh, Junior, I would say you've stopped mother fluffer. Get missed. That was rude. Okay. I gotta get used to this. Just start young, I guess. The more you learn, the younger you are, the better off you are in the long run, right? Hey Neil, am I testing the fib? Low key, yeah, yes and no. I'm actually testing the 5-second charts with the 50% entry level. That's about it. I'm trying to make it a little less chaotic. So yes, this is a 5-second chart. Let's see where this heads. If it's gonna... Ooh. Yeah, I was just thinking the shorts might be back in play here. Put that little wick over there. But that being said, this did have a shelf here. Okay. Closed it a tiny bit early. No, it doesn't really help, but still. Went back into this line. What did I draw a line of? Oh, that shelf. Yeah, no, that's definitely not valid anymore. Whee! Oh, damn! Do you know what it did do? It went into the 50% of this. It took that out. Huh. Look at that. Nice. Nice. Came back, so that low key still stands on the 5 seconds as well. It didn't retrace the 50% on the 5 second. Still use that full range. Interesting. Like same here. Oh, double top. Potentially double top? This also doesn't really have a shelf. See, I'm learning about which are the correct ones and not here. A little bit of a double top situation, no shelf. Does not look promising. Let's see though. Let's see what we get. Okay. Your 5 seconds are quick, man. Go back up, go back up, go back up. Damn it. Ninja traded you. Sorry. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not. So it says like autofilled, whatever. What I'm giggling at is the fact that she sounds so disappointed when she says stopped filled. Stopped filled. Stop filled. Maya, read that out. Okay, last time attempting a buy here. I think it's running away without me, but still. Ew. Nope, that mother fluff is running away. Nope, that's gone bye-bye. Sure. Sure. A buy in there actually would have been really good. LP. Public announcement. Sorry, I'm looking. What did I miss? Okay, I see we're going absolutely nowhere over here. One free move, hold control while you move the chart. Yeah, I'm learning that, thank you. One free move, and I have something to say. This man is the smartest human on the planet. I'm assuming you guys played a chess match and the deal was if he won you had to say that on stream. There, I said it. So Jordy says that Microwave is the smartest human being on the planet. He looks very upset about that though. Is that trading futures? Yay! What's up, Robson? How are we doing? Yay, more people comment on the vertical stream. The previous chart color was a lot more beautiful than this. Really? You prefer the other one? Yeah, because it's easy to watch your phone. I can't see what Jordy said. Sorry. Okay. No. Okay, I did it. I was messed that up. Okay, my brain is now fried. Like I said, I actually didn't miss any trades. No, there was one trade on the 1 minute chart on my funded account that I was like, maybe, but even then it was a little bit of a push. Pity about that. So yeah, I actually didn't have any good, decent setups for my strategy on the 1 minute. Got a lot of forward testing done today. I feel a little bit broken. I'm not gonna lie. I think I need to go and lie down. That's why I'm calling it a tad bit early, because damn, whew. That was a lot, but that's okay. I will be back tomorrow. You best believe we're going to be forward testing again during London. I think it should obviously be a little bit calmer, less wee. That being said, it is also FOMC tomorrow. So, let's see. Someone deleted it. He called direction like 5 times in a row to be fair. There we go. I'd probably range there. No, Silu, I'm so sorry. Now I'm calling it. I've been on for 2 hours now. My brain hurts. Oh, the 5-second shots. I think I'm gonna have to build like endurance for that. It's a little bit like when I started trading. Even trading the 1 minute, I remember feeling exhausted, and now the 1 minute feels a little bit slow, especially after looking at the 5-second. But why forward testing? Did you lose the account? No, Louis, the ninja trading, that was obviously forward testing, right? It was a demo account. Or paper trading. That was forward testing. This one was nothing. There was no trades for me here. Well, no A+ trades, let's put it that way. But I love you guys madly. I'm gonna call it there because I'm a little bit broken. So I'll then see you guys tomorrow, London and New York session. It is FOMC, so let's see what we get. This is going to be entertaining. Okay. I love you guys madly. Be safe, trade safe. See you tomorrow. Let's see what the charts bring. Okay. Love you guys. Bye.